Here's a simple and effective way to block any website on Google Chrome on your phone or computer. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Click the three dots in the top right corner and go to Settings. On the left menu, click Privacy and Security, then choose Site Settings. Scroll down and open Content, then tap JavaScript. To block a website, click Add next to Not Allowed to Use JavaScript and enter the website URL, for example, https www.example.com. Once added, the site will no longer load properly, preventing access. You can repeat this for any site you want to block. If you want a stronger block with password protection or schedules, Chrome extensions work great. Open Chrome and go to the Chrome Web Store. Search for extensions like BlockSite, Stay Focused, or Site Blocker. Click Add to Chrome, then open the extension settings. Here you can add websites to your block list. Set time limits. Lock the settings with a password. Block adult or distracting content. This is the easiest method for strict blocking. Chrome on iPhone and Android doesn't have a built-in website blocker, but you can block sites using your phone's settings. On iPhone, go to Settings, Screen Time, Content and Privacy Restrictions, Content Restrictions, Web Content. Choose Limit Adult Websites, then add specific sites to the Never Allow list. And that's all you need to block websites on Chrome across all devices.